Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well by the great help of God. Is it? Many a long time. Uh, Sorry, my dear students. We have come here in this class many a long time later. I am Shubhi Kumar বিশ্বাস, assistant teacher, particularly primary school, Gopalganj Sadar Gopalganj. Dear class 5 students, we learned about your English for today book, English class basically. I request to you, all of you ready to your notebook and pen and English for today. We learn about your 12th unit, how far is Saint Martin? How far is Saint Martin? Okay. Do you know the name of the Saint Martin? Yes, I know. Not only you had this name, but also many of you are wearing this Saint Martin and observe and enjoy this natural beauty of this sea and island. Is it? There are many interesting places in our country, but our country is full of natural beauty, such as Sundarban, Saint Martin, Cox's Bazar, Kuakata, Tulipara, Bogura, and there are Rangamati, Khairachori. There are many interesting places in our country, is it? But the most and very attractive and special place, tourist place and interesting place is Saint Martin. We know about this island. Okay, we know about this island. We know about this island, this trophies, and before we know this new words and this meaning of this trophies. Are you ready to know this new word? Okay. The first word, tourist spot. What is this? Tourist spot. Look at this picture. This picture is a tea garden. A tea garden. This full of natural beauty in this tea garden. We have no this. There are no tea garden in our locality. But if you want to go this Sylhet, if you want to go to this Madhukundu, you have seen there are many tea gardens. That the various beauty, natural beauty in this tea garden. Tourist spot means wanderer place. Wanderer place. What is this? Wanderer place. The place we see and very wondered. The tea garden is attractive tourist spot. The tea garden is very attractive. Follow. We have there are many area, but there is no such an area that is same as this tea garden, because tea garden is very attractive. Very. This is why we can say wandered place. This is our wandered place, and we decided that tea garden is this tourist spot. There are many tourists go to this tea garden in Sylhet. And next what? Dear student, waterfalls. Have you seen this waterfalls? Someone perhaps you seen this waterfalls. And look at this picture. From the top of the sea, there are many waterfalls in this road. Look at this very attractive place, very attractive and interesting place, waterfalls. Waterfalls mean a source of water over a hill. There are many sources of water such as tube well, river, rain, ponds, channel. There are many water source in our country, but a waterfalls is very attractive, very attractive. A source of water over a hill. Madhopur waterfalls is located in Moulubibazar. If you want to Moulubibazar, you have to see this waterfalls and very attractive place. Is it? Okay. Next one, special. What is special? Look at this. Is special. Happy 13th birthday to you. Birthday. There are many days comes and goes, but your birthday is mainly a special day, is it? Because is your birthday is arranged many kinds of colorful, many kinds of colorful arrange something particular. This is particular day. This is a special day. Birthday is the special day to me, to us, is it? And next word, wonderful. In this topics, you have find this word, new word, wonderful. Wonderful means, wonderful means. Look at this picture, here, students. Look at this picture. You have seen two women, very attractive. They are colorful dress, is it? And something stands. Something stands. Of course, Coxbazar is a wonderful place. If you went to Coxbazar, if you got to Coxbazar, you have seen there are water. There is no island in your eyes. There is no boundary in your eyes. Okay. If this is our Coxbazar is a wonderful place. Dear students, now you open your book at the page number 46. Open your book at the 46. My dear students, I read and you read with me. Okay? Andy, hi Tomal, can you help me with something? Andy and Tomal, there are two persons, and between these two persons, they speak with Saint Martin, with the interesting place. Andy, one of his student, his friend name is Tomal. Hi Tomal, can you help me with something? এন্ডি বলছে তোমাল আমাকে কিছু ব্যাপারে তুমি সাহায্য করতে পারো? শিওর এন্ডি, কেন নয়, অবশ্যই। What are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I know about Coxbazar. I visited there last month. তুমি কি বলতে পারো আমাদের দেশের প্রধান প্রধান টুরিস্ট স্পট গুলো কোথায়? আমি গত মাসে কক্সবাজার গিয়েছিলাম। Oh, Coxbazar is the most popular tourist spot. কক্সবাজার হচ্ছে আমাদের দেশের সবথেকে বেশি জনপ্রিয় পর্যটক জায়গা, পর্যটন স্থান। And it's beautiful. I love the sea and this beach, but I would like to see some new place in this time. এর সৌন্দর্য বিশাল, এর খুব সুন্দর। আমি এই সমুদ্রকে ভালোবাসি, সমুদ্রের বীজকে ভালোবাসি, সমুদ্র সৈকতকে ভালোবাসি, কিন্তু আমি নতুন জায়গা দেখতে চাই। তোমার রাইট, there are many places to see in our country. অবশ্যই ঠিক, আমাদের দেশে অনেক জায়গা আছে যেটা তুমি দেখতে পারো। You can go to শ্রীমঙ্গল, তুমি শ্রীমঙ্গল যেতে পারো। You can enjoy this beauty of the tea gardens there. সেখানে তুমি চা বাগানের সৌন্দর্য উপভোগ করতে পারো। From there you can go to মাধবকুন্ডু, সেখান থেকে তুমি মাধবকুন্ডু যেতে পারো। There are some wonderful ওয়াটারফলস দেয়ার, সেখানে তুমি কিছু ঝর্ণা, ওয়াটারফলস মানে ঝর্ণা, কিছু ঝর্ণা দেখতে পাবে। ইউ ক্যান অলসো গো টু সেন্ট মার্টিন আইল্যান্ড, তুমি সেন্ট মার্টিন দ্বীপে যেতে পারো। ইট ইজ এ স্পেশাল প্লেস, দ্যাট একটা স্পেশাল জায়গা। Dear students, we read about this trophies at the page number 46. We have know about these new words of these trophies, and we read these trophies with Bengali. I hope you all of you are understand by of these trophies. Again, I read and you read with me. Hi Tobal, can you help me with something? তুমি কি আমাকে কোনো ব্যাপারে সাহায্য করতে পারো? তোমার বলছে শিওর এন্ডি, অবশ্যই এন্ডি, অবশ্যই এন্ডি। হোয়াট আর দ্য মেইন টুরিস্ট স্পটস ইন বাংলাদেশ? এন্ডি বলছে বাংলাদেশের প্রধান পর্যটন এলাকাগুলো কোনগুলো? আই নো অ্যাবাউট কক্সবাজার, আমি কক্সবাজার সম্পর্কে জানি। আই ভিজিটেড দেয়ার লাস্ট মান্থ, আমি গত মাসে সেখানে গিয়েছিলাম। তোমার বলছো ও কক্সবাজার, ও কক্সবাজার ইজ দ্য মোস্ট পপুলার টুরিস্ট স্পট, কক্সবাজার হচ্ছে সবথেকে জনপ্রিয় পর্যটন এলাকা। এটি হচ্ছে এন্ড ইটস বিউটিফুল, এবং এটা খুব সুন্দর। আই লাভ দিস সে, আমি সমুদ্র ভালোবাসি। এন্ড দ্য বিচ, বিচ মিন্স সৈকত, সমুদ্রের যে সৈকত। কক্সবাজার সমুদ্র সৈকতকে ভালোবাসি, সমুদ্রকে ভালোবাসি, বাট I would like to see some new place this time. কিন্তু আমি এই সময় আমি কিছু নতুন জায়গায় যেতে চাই। বলছে রাইট, ঠিক, অবশ্যই তুমি যাবে। There are many places to see in our country. আমাদের দেশে অনেক জায়গা আছে যেটা তুমি দেখতে পারো। You can go to শ্রীমঙ্গল, তুমি শ্রীমঙ্গল যেতে পারো। You can enjoy the beauty of the tea gardens there. শ্রীমঙ্গল আছে চা বাগান, তুমি সেই চা বাগানের সৌন্দর্য উপভোগ করতে পারো। ফ্রম দেয়ার, সেখান থেকে ইউ ক্যান গো টু মাধবকুণ্ড, সেখান থেকে তুমি মাধবকুণ্ড যেতে পারো। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, উই ওয়াচ এ ওয়াটারফল পিকচার, and if you go to Madhavkundu, of course you have seen this waterfall. There are some wonderful waterfall there, is it? There are many wonderful waterfall যেখানে অনেকগুলো ঝর্ণা আছে। You can also go to Saint Martin, তুমি সেন্ট মার্টিনে যেতে পারো। সেন্ট মার্টিন আইল্যান্ড ইজ এ স্পেশাল প্লেস, সেন্ট মার্টিন দ্বীপ হচ্ছে একটা স্পেশাল, স্পেশাল মিন্স এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি, স্পেশাল প্লেস, একটা অন্যতম জায়গা সেন্ট মার্টিন। Dear students, we know now we can say this Bengali meaning of visit. Visit means পরিদর্শন, visit means পরিদর্শন। কক্সবাজার beautiful, beautiful means সুন্দর, beautiful means সুন্দর। beach means সমুদ্র সৈকত, সমুদ্র সৈকত। Thank you dear students, I hope all of you are know about these topics and this Bengali meaning of these topics, okay? And next, dear students, I have some question to you. You have these questions and try to give a proper answer, okay? What is the most tourist spot in Bangladesh? সবচেয়ে বেশি জনপ্রিয় টুরিস্ট স্পট এটা বাংলাদেশের কোথায়? Do you know? Yes, I know all of you are know about this because we learned about this answer from our text. Next question, where is the beautiful tea garden? And next question, what is the name of a special place? There are 3 questions in here, and I request you write this question, write your khata and try to give a correct answer. Give a correct answer. First question answer. Look at this scheme. What is the most tourist spot in Bangladesh? Cox's Bazar. We learned about this. Cox's Bazar is this most important tourist spot in Bangladesh. What is this? Cox's Bazar is the most tourist spot in Bangladesh. I request you all, of course, you have to go Cox's Bazar and enjoy this natural beauty of Cox's Bazar. Enjoy this natural beauty of longest stay in this world. Enjoy this extraordinary beauty of say. Is it? Okay. Next question. Where is the beautiful tea garden? Beautiful Sundar tea garden কোথায়? Where? Gopalganj. No, there is no tea garden in Gopalganj. If you go to Gopalganj, you have not seen any kinds of tea garden. If you want to enjoy this beauty of tea garden, you have of course gone to Simongal. Simongal, the beautiful tea garden is Simongal. Simongal. Next question. What is the name of a special place? What is the name of a special place? Dear students, there are many special place in our country. Many special place. Sundarban is the most special place because these seven wonders of this country is Sundarban maybe, and this natural beauty is more attractive in Sundarban. If you were to Chittagong, Sipur, Rangamati, Khagrachari, but what is the name of a special? Now we learned about the Saint Martin Island, this Coral Island. This is why we can say Saint Martin is the special place. What is the special place? Saint Martin. Saint Martin is this one of this special island, a special place in our country. Is it? Now look at this scheme. Make WH question by underlining one. Dear students, we learned about this WH question in the previous class. I try to understand clearly about this WH question. Look at these questions. The island is in this Bay of Bengal, and you follow Bay of Bengal. The underline with Bay of Bengal because we hit this Bay of Bengal, and I question all of you. Try to question about this sentence and point out this Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is a place. This is why if this place we use where. This island is in Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. We can use this question. Where is this island? Islandটা কোথায়? দ্বীপটি কোথায়? দ্বীপটি হচ্ছে বঙ্গোপসাগরে. This is why Bay of Bengal is a place. We use WH question. Where is it? Okay. And the next question. We can go to Saint Martin by wooden boats or sea trucks. আমরা কিভাবে সেন্ট মার্টিন দ্বীপে যেতে পারি? কিভাবে? Now this is why কিভাবে questionটা আসছে. Of course we use how. How can you go to Coral Island? তুমি কিভাবে কোরাল আইল্যান্ডে যেতে পারো? Okay. And next question. You can see coral in different shapes and colors. Coral, this underline with coral, and you can answer this question. What can you see on this island? তুমি আইল্যান্ডে কি দেখতে পাও? ঠিক এই কোশ্চেনের উত্তরই এটা. We can see coral in different shapes and colors. What can you see in this island? Okay. Thank you very much. Look at this scheme picture, and it is a puzzle. Dear friends, perhaps this is a new topic to you, but it is very interesting. Very interesting. Look at this skill. There are many words in this row, and there are many words in this row. There are many words in this row, and you have to make a word. You have to make a word with the help of this word. Okay. Now follow this. Follow this word. Coxbazar. What is this? This is Coxbazar. It is a very popular tourist spot. Coxbazar. And next, try tourist. Tourists. What is this? Tourist. And try. Then beauty. Okay. And you have to many word. If you try and many word make I know. Okay. And next, homework. We can write about this 5 sentences about this trophies. I request to you with your notebook write 5 sentences. You will write 5 sentences about your recent visit place. Recent visit place তুমি সম্প্রতি কোন এক জায়গায় গিয়েছো সেখানে দেখেছো সেই সম্পর্কে ইংরেজিতে 5টা বাক্য লিখবে। Now your time is start now. Okay. Write 5 sentences about your recent visit place. Dear students, thank you very much. No now, but I request you write in your home about these topics. This is your homework. We try to write about this 5 sentences about your 5 sentences that is recently visited of you. Okay. Dear students, we know about this Saint Martin. Saint Martin, what is this? Saint Martin is a interesting place, and interesting tourist spot. You have to learn this tourist spot. You enjoy this natural beauty of Saint. You enjoy this coral and various fishes in this island. Okay, and if you want to this island, of course you have to do Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is this another popular spot, most popular spot, tourist spot in Bangladesh, and you have to know about this many word and word meaning such as beautiful, wonderful, interesting place, tourist spot. Do you know the meaning of tourist spot? Tourist spot পর্যটন এলাকা পর্যটন area. Okay, thank you very much. We learn about this island, and if you try to this word meaning, please say help. Do you know the Bengali meaning of help? Help মানে সাহায্য। Help is সাহায্য করা। And another word, business. Dear students, we play a game named bingo game. Look at this. Look at some words in this topics. In this scheme: visit, tourist, popular, beach, waterfall, special, wonderful, and island. From this scheme, from this word, you write only 5 words in your khata, in your notebook. From this word, tourist, popular, beach, waterfall, special, wonderful, island, and visit. From this word, you write only 5 words in your notebook. and I delete 5 words at first. Those who are similar with me, these are deleted. He is bingo. And called loudly, I am bingo. Okay. Now you start. Write 5 words. 5 words. Okay. Next your word. Tourist. Tourist. Okay. Tick mark. Then popular. Write popular. If you write popular, you tick. Write bees. Is it bees? Tick. Waterfall. If you write this word waterfall, of course tick. Special. Thank you. 5 sentences are deleted to me. If this 5 sentence is matched with your writing word, of course you a bingo. What is this? You a bingo. Thank you, my dear students. I request you. We are going to free from COVID-19. Immediately, and our school generally open immediately, and our study also immediately started naturally. Thank you very much. I request you read and write attentively. Thank you.